In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent on Mailchimp, a skill that can make your email campaigns look even more professional and polished. If you've ever found yourself struggling with formatting in Mailchimp, particularly with creating that perfect indentation for your text or paragraphs, you're in the right place. So let's dive into the steps and make your campaign shine. First things first, let's get you logged into Mailchimp. Enter your credentials on the login page, and then simply click the login button. This will take you directly into the heart of Mailchimp, where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Mailchimp homepage, which acts as your control center for all things emails. From here, you want to navigate to the campaign section. This is the area where you'll select the specific campaign you wish to edit. Thanks to Mailchimp's user-friendly interface, finding your way to the campaigns is a breeze. Browse through your list of campaigns and select the one that requires your attention. This flexibility to edit any campaign with just a click is what makes Mailchimp so powerful for marketers and communicators. After selecting the campaign that needs a bit of tweaking, go ahead and click on Edit Design. Now, this is where your creative juices can start flowing. You're now in the editor, the place where you can add, remove, and modify elements to match your vision for the campaign. It's your sandbox for creativity, and it's time to focus on today's main lesson: adjusting indentation. Look closely for the padding option within the editor. This feature is the key to controlling the spacing around your content, allowing you to precisely align your text. A well-indented email can enormously enhance readability and the overall visual appeal, making your campaign look neat and professional. Within the padding section, you'll be able to adjust the numbers that represent the padding around your elements. By adjusting these numbers, you can control how far indented your text is from the block edges. Feel free to experiment with these until you find the perfect level of indentation that suits your content. Remember, even slight adjustments can make a significant difference in the final look of your email, so take your time. And with that last tweak, you've successfully learned how to indent in Mailchimp. It might seem like a minor detail, but this level of customization is what can transform good campaigns into great ones. As we wrap up, remember that the key to a successful email campaign isn't just the message, but also how it's presented. Proper text indentation ensures your message is not only read, but also appreciated and remembered. Throughout this video, we've covered logging into your Mailchimp account, navigating to the campaign section, selecting a campaign to edit, and finally, adjusting the indentation for better readability and presentation. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and that you're now more confident in making these adjustments on your own. As with all skills, practice makes perfect. Don't shy away from experimenting with different indent levels and padding adjustments to see what works best for your campaigns. Mailchimp's intuitive platform is designed to ease these processes, so make the most of these features to boost your email marketing efforts. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful guides like this one. Happy campaigning!